Hello guys, it is me, Spike, and I just wanted to announce that Reptiles versus Birds episode 2 is coming out on June 20th. So it actually got changed because I'm actually that's like the only day I'll be free. So yeah, and plus all the bird characters I'm gonna get for my birthday because it's on the 14th. So yeah, June 20th is the confirmed release date on Reptiles versus Birds episode 2. And plus, if I get home early, or if I can still record, then maybe we'll be released earlier, but this is just most likely the day that's June 20th is the day for it to most likely happen. So yeah, subscribe.